Hello scribes, welcome to another video from my channel. As promised, I'm here to take you through a little bit about the process of signing up for coverage with Wii Screenplay and how it interconnects with Coverfly. So let's head over to WeScreenplay.com. WeScreenplay has 3 different packages: Classic, Bespoke, and Comprehensive, each at a different price point. Classic at $69.99, Bespoke at $99.99, and Comprehensive at $199.99. Each include slightly different things. Classic includes 72-hour turnaround time, 4 pages of detailed notes, character plot, structure, dialogue, and concept analysis, a pass, consider, or recommend rating, an overall impression that will highlight extra factors like voice, qualitative scores to compare your progress, and your analyst's bio. Bespoke includes the same 72-hour turnaround time, everything that the Classic package has, plus a customized marketing blueprint to analyze how your script accomplishes your specific screenwriting goals, which is great if you want to know a little bit more about how to become a staff writer and if you're on the right path. The Comprehensive includes 72-hour turnaround as well, everything from the Bespoke package, and inline PDF notes throughout the script. Basically, all of the details that you could change to make your script much better. Probably more in the vein of detailed changes that you would likely be getting from the studio. Once you go and you select your package, it takes you to this next page, which is all about your project and how you go ahead and you purchase the Classic notes. You can also log into Coverfly, which is a really great way to go ahead and link these notes so that any scores get transferred over to your Coverfly profile. So once you've gone ahead and you filled in all of this information, including project title, you can go ahead down here, select your PDF, select your page count by either typing it in or using the arrows, and going ahead and putting what format you're actually submitting this under. The formats will include feature, television in half-hour and 1 hour, short film, treatment, series, Bible, pitch, web series. You can see that they have a lot of options, even documentary. You can go ahead and select your genre: action, adventure, animated, comedy, drama, faith, family, you name it, it's here. Down here you can go ahead and put your logline in and any additional comments that you have for the reader. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and check out. I want to show you a little bit more about logging into Coverfly, because you can check out with Coverfly. You can buy this directly in Coverfly, and you can add this to your Coverfly portfolio or profile and check in once those have been submitted. So once you've synced purchasing these notes to your Coverfly account, you can log into your Coverfly account and you will start to see that there is the project file in your profile. It will keep your profile here and show all of your submissions as far as any sort of notes that you've requested, as well as different drafts that you've submitted and competitions that you've entered. All of this contributes to your Coverfly score. And we all know that that score is how you get put on the red list. You can go right into the submission for coverage and pull up percentiles once you have your final feedback in there. You're also able to download it, update the project, and again, check into any more downloadable content as far as any notes that you may have additionally purchased. As you can see here, this is the score breakdown, nicely condensed here. You can also see here at the very top corner your lists, such as the red list and the industry lists that you can place onto, having competitions and having coverage rack up your numbers in any profile that you have here on Coverfly. What's awesome about WeScreenplay is they also have competitions and contests for you to enter. And you can see up here in the drop down all the different types that they do have. These competitions are usually featured on Coverfly also, so usually you can sync between the two and they'll keep track of it for you. I hope you see the value in having Wii Screenplay and Coverfly synced together in perfect harmony. I know it saves me a lot when I want to go back in and check for reference a little bit about the percentiles that I've hit and how I'm pretty much doing. It's a really nice way to really judge how much improvement I've been making as I go through this journey of writing. If you liked this video, give me a like down at the bottom. If you want to see something like this, reference it down below. I might just make a video of it. And if you liked this review on Wii Screenplay and Coverfly and walkthrough, go check out my other videos reviewing the Sundance horror course that I took on Sundance Collab and my UCLA class that I took for spec drama writing. And if you like Coverfly and Wii Screenplay, I would suggest to go ahead and get your coverage now. It's a great value and really love their style. You really can't go wrong. Thanks for hanging out with me for this video, and I'll see you on the next one, scribes.